Hey, this is a demo of the user interface that we created for the Henry, which is a really cool apartment complex in, I believe, the Ravenswood area in Chicago. We did this project with our good friends at M&R Electronics Systems, Inc. And we thought that the interface turned out pretty slick and just wanted to do a quick demo. So this is the global controller for the complex. And basically, it's an apartment complex. There's several common areas that have background music. Then there's a couple areas like a conference room, a fitness room, and things like that that we have audio and video in. So the global controllers have on there. We use our standard backdoor password just to get in for a demo. And then this is the main part of the interface. I wanted to show you the music rooms first. So very straightforward. Again, these are kind of the common areas in the complex, and they have 4 background music players, which we're not controlling. They're set to a commercial audio service, and essentially one of the management team could just go in and pick which player in which area and control the volume, mute, or just turn that area off. So we turn the pool deck off here. Very straightforward. Again, it's basically just signal routing and volume control for the background music areas. We can go into the AV rooms and we'll just call it the conference room. And in here we have a monitor and then of course speakers. The 2 local sources are DirecTV, and they have a HDMI wall jack if somebody has a laptop and they want to present within the room. There's also a Bluetooth receiver in the room, but they're renting it out or using it for a party, or you want to have their own music. The user can just play their phone through the speakers. So if we click DirecTV, the monitor comes on. We've got the DirecTV controls here. We assume that the user wants to hear DirecTV as well as see it. So if the room is in an off state, if you turn it on to DirecTV, it automatically routes the audio into the room. If you switch to HDMI, the audio is going to track basically whatever is on the TV. It's going to play in the room, which is why we call it TV audio. We have a little note up here which represents what the audio source is. The TV would still be on HDMI, so you could view something and listen to something different in the room. You can turn each of the monitor and the audio off independently, or just click power off, and that turns them both off there. The other rooms are essentially the same. The cardio room is in fact exactly the same. Oh, and the logo here takes us back to the menu to switch rooms. The fitness room is a little bit different as it has 2 monitors. So if we turn the left monitor on, that audio gets routed here. So you're seeing it. We assume you want to hear it. Right TV comes on. We can now pick which TV we're going to listen to. If we turn the right monitor off and it's currently selected, we're going to just default to audio from the left monitor. So there's never any kind of dead sound in the room unless the user goes in and changes it here. Because there are 2 DirecTV boxes, we have a separate source control page here, which allows them to control the DirecTV box for the left monitor or the right monitor. Again, system power here, turns everything off, and back to the rooms page. Now from here, this logo will take us back to the access control page. One last thing quickly is that we have essentially versions of this same interface within the rooms and a touch panel in the wall for like a local controller. So I can just change this interface to represent one of those. So this is the interface for the conference room. There's no passkey on this one because we want a user, even if it's not a staff member, to be able to walk into the room and start using it. So again, once we're in, it's the exact same interface as the global controller. The only difference is that it only has access to this one room. So that's it. We think it's, again, straightforward, gets the job done, and ideally anybody can walk up and start using the interface in the system. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to talk about a project like this, please let us know.